Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are playing a new game called Muscle Legends. We're trying to destroy some guys in this game and we're gonna do some workouts today too. No offense, but she's fat, but let me kill this big girl. Okay, she's dead. So let me just work out on a treadmill for some time. Okay, it's not working for now, but let me try. Hopefully it doesn't get glitched, bro. Then cause I'm gonna get raged. Let me go look for some guys that I can defeat, cause it's gonna give me good karma point and evil karma point. As you can see in good karma, I have protector and I'm a muscle legend. So meaning I am really super duper strong. And what are these guys doing here? They look so tough and big and strong, but they're not as strong as me because I'm a muscle legend. But if I set my so let me just focus on my dumbbells right now because I need to work out really hard. Perfect dumbbells for me. Yeah boy, keep that going. So strong. Why am I running while I'm literally working out? Okay, so let's see what can I do now. Okay, let me cook this guy here. What is he doing? Dang, it's glitched. Why am I so glitched, bro? This thing has to go perfectly fine. What? Okay, wait, what? This guy's lagging so bad at this point. Yo, I don't think so. This guy's lagging so bad. Maybe it's my network lagging here. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna ignore him at this point. I'm gonna go find somebody else who I can actually kill. Yeah, there's tough guys here are still doing the squat racks. Okay, let me try doing one because I can even get stronger and better at that point. Okay, why is it not working? Finally, yeah, boy. Pull the squat racker, boy. Yeah. Good squats. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, boy. Keep it going. 6 already. Why does everybody keep on sending me trade requests? Like, that's super annoying. Like, they just want my pets and stuff for totally free. Or maybe they want to gift me something in trade. Hopefully. That guy went flying when I KO'd him. The other guy too went flying. I get 2 evil karma points. What is this guy doing here? He got an orange hedgehog common and a dark vampy. Level 1. Awesome, dude. Nice. The top kills. Dang, the first guy is 48.3 million kills. That's so crazy. Bro got KO'd. Easy. Okay, that's nice. This guy got KO'd too. Okay, now let me just do some running. I'm running so fast like a tiny ant does. KO'd. Dang, this guy's a house lifter. I can't even kill him. Oh shit, he killed me so bad. Holy god. I better not kill him because even if I do a hit, he's literally getting tickled. Okay, good thing I drank an energy drink. At least it improved my agility and exercises. That guy went flying over there. Okay, dude. What is this guy doing there? He's so fat. Okay, what is he doing? Bro, this guy wants to play with me. You die if you want to play with me. Because nobody stays alive when they play with me. Yeah, boy. I even defeat gigantic. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Ow, dude. This guy literally kills me in one single hit. Fresh juice. Better for my exercise. Good thing I drank that. Yo, what is wrong with that guy? He went so fast as Sonic the Hedgehog in literal Green Hill. Oh my god, why is everybody literally trying to kill me and fight back? Okay, that guy got KO'd. This guy is about to get KO'd too. Yeah, KO'd. Let's see what can I find now. Who can I find? Next guy, anybody? Yeah boy, this guy's in the queue to get cooked. Yeah, he got cooked. He's on the treadmill lying down. Cause I killed him. Now time to do some running on the treadmill. That's gonna be very good for my agility. Got 25 agility from that, damn, that's really good. Cause then I can exercise better and I'll be even faster. Damn. Keep on slipping off the treadmill. Like that's so annoying. Can't even exercise on the treadmill. Damn it, bro. Dang it. So that we run still on the treadmill and trying still. This guy just came, he's so big and he's trying to fight back. Bro, do you even know who I am? I'm the world's most strongest man in the world. Okay, this guy went away because I killed him. Yeah, dang it, I can't even work on a treadmill. What is this guy doing here? Paris 4427. That guy is so big, like fat, to be honest. Bro, everybody died. Everybody dies here, whoever is bad. Okay, everybody died. I wanna kill them all. This guy is so slow. Did you even run on the treadmill? Everybody is kind of slow at this point. Okay, I wanna kill Paris again. Yeah, he got cooked. Okay, let's see this. Wait, this guy is trying to fight back. He only died when he's trying to fight back. I don't take a single damage. Time to do some squats. Oh yeah. Perfect squats. Who is this guy? He's so good. Let's leave him alone. Okay. What is this guy doing? Okay, let's go somewhere else. Oh, cooking Mindle got cooked, died. Everybody keeps on dying from me, of course, cause I'm the most strongest here in this server. Okay, since I killed that dude, let me go find some other ones. Oh, this guy fought back with another guy and he got cooked. That's what you get for cooking that guy, cause that's what you actually get, bro. You deserve it. They all came from heaven, like they just came in the. This guy thought he actually killed Mindle, but I only killed him, and I killed a big. Okay, that's so funny, dude. I'm just cooking people up at this point, and they're getting killed. Like that's super duper easy. It's like throwing a ball in a basket when you're doing the boulder thing. Let me just kill this guy, whoever is literally. Okay, sad life. You couldn't work out. I feel sad for that guy. Okay. I really want to kill some people at this point because, like, that guy is so fast. He's so fast. I just killed him. Oh my god. I want to kill him. I killed him too. I'm killing everybody here, dude. Okay, bro. He just tried. Okay, he just spawned from heaven, I guess. He just tried to fight back. I just killed him in one tap. Like one single tap. Let's go to the Frost gym. But never mind. Oh, this guy is hiding here so that I can't kill him. Smart dude, smart, really smart. But not as smart as me, bro. Cause you can't hide from me. Like, that guy is a house lifter and he's so fast. Like literally so fast. I wanna run the treadmill for some time. Dang it, I can't even run cause I'm so fast. Like that's annoying. Yes, see, that's the most annoying part. Let me try running on this one. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, it's working. We're actually doing good progress. Yo, we did it. It's working. Let's go. Okay, let's try to run on it. Let me check my quests. Cause it has like a exclamation mark on it. Meaning I did a quest or something. I don't know. It has an exclamation mark, so that's why. Oh my god, dude, oh my god. Yeah, boy, working out on the treadmill makes me even stronger. Okay, locked in, dude, locked in. Time to just keep on working out on it. It will be super duper good and super duper bad. probably bad because I might get some people trying to kill me while I'm doing a treadmill. So yeah, like that's why I said it's bad. Okay, so now that we are done with everything and cooking some people, we are done with that. We're done exercising a bit. Now it's time for me to sign out. So if you liked my video, please subscribe, share, and like it. So if I'm signing out. See ya later. Bye bye. Cheese.